have been waiting years for their day in court, and today, 3 Texas craft brewers, Petty-Cola's, Revolver, and Austin-based Live Oak, asked a judge to overturn a law they say is costing them millions of dollars. In 2013, lawmakers made a law forbidding craft brewers from selling their distribution rights. So when they reach their geographical limit, like Live Oak and Austin, they have to give the rights to big distributors to get their beers in other cities.
It's not understandable how that's, well, not only how it's constitutional, but how is that fair?
The state of Texas cannot pick winners and losers in the marketplace. It can't pass a law to enrich beer distributors at the expense of craft beers companies. That's exactly what this law does. It does nothing else.
The Institute for Justice says the judge indicated she would rule within 2 weeks.